Hello everyone, good morning and good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ankush Sharma. So today we have the Walmart SQL question. So this question has been frequently asked in Walmart or any other product company as well as. So I'll walk you through what is the problem statement and what is the ask. Okay. So the ask is very simple. You need to write a SQL query to count number of product in each category based on its price into three categories. So display the output in descending order of number of products. Okay. Some of the categories are low price. If my price less than 100, you need to tag the low price. If if my price like between 100 and 5, you need to tag the medium price. If it is higher than the 500, then you need to tag the higher price. So this is my table. Like we have the product ID, product name, and price. This is very simple table. Okay. I'll show you, and I also give you the scripts, create table and insert table, so you can like perform your SQL environment and you start like practice this kind of the SQL queries. Okay. So let me jump into the my SQL environment, and I also like I try to solve this same question into Tableau. So stay tuned. So this is the script I will share with you. Don't worry. Let me run my table. So as I told you, we have the three columns: product ID, product name, the price, and we have the I guess 50 number of records. So we need to find out the category wise sales. Basically, we need to tag. Okay. So let's try to solve this. Select from prod. I want product ID, product name, and price. So if you know the answer, if you know the solution, please pause this video and comment down in the video description. Definitely, I will check that out. Might be you have another like different kind of solution. You can solve a different kind of the approach. So definitely, I would like to see your approach. Okay. So case when price less than 100, then low price. When price between 100 okay, price between 100 and and 500, then it should be categorized uh, medium. And price greater than 500, then it should be my high price. And as let me call it and as category. Okay, let me run first. So let me see it's working or not. Okay, so we have like categorize the price based on the requirements. Okay, okay. So let me like run it again. What is the requirement? Write a SQL query to count of number of product. Okay, so we need to count as well as. So I'm saying count, and if we are using count, we are using the aggregate functions, we need to use group by 3. Okay, so we have count additional column, we have the category additional column. Okay. Okay. So I want, like, as I told you, I want how many low price fall in the low category, and how many price are fall in the medium price, and how many prices are falling into the high prices. So I need to count those numbers. So I don't want to touch the existing code. Let me dump this my CTE. So it's easier to work on the CTE. You can like write on the subqueries, but I will go with the CTE. So select, I want, no, why I want product ID, I want category, I want count from my city, by my one, order by my count. It should be descending order or ascending order? Descending order. Let me see. Okay. So if you see the result, low price has 7, medium price has 5, and high price has 3. So these are the count are following in these categories. Okay. So if you see this my code, I have not written any fancy code, just I'm using a subquery. Based on the subquery, like pre-subquery, I've already written my the calculation or my the base table. So based on that, I'm able to achieve that. So my approach will be the my case when. Okay. So this SQL part is done. Let's move into the Tableau. So before I moved into Tableau, where it is, I need to show the table and I need to download the CSV file. Okay, we have 15 records. Let me jump into my Tableau text file, open, product ID. Let's verify the records. Okay, 15 records are found. Perfect. Product name, price. Let's verify the data. Gaming 200, laptop 800. What happened? Laptop 800 and should be gaming 200. Okay, perfect. So the same thing we need to do that. We need to find out the, we need to first create the category calculation. So I'm using if my sum of price less than 100, then it should be low price, else if sum of price 100 and sum of price, what is that, sum of price 500, then medium price, or else high price and oh, I'm so sorry. Syntax error as and so price perfect. My bad. Okay. It should be greater than or equal to what we are saying. Okay. Perfect. And elsewise, so we have the category. Let me pull this category. Yeah. So, okay, let's not drag into the color. Okay, so we are able to create the categories label as well as. Okay. So I don't want the product name and I don't want even this price. Let's and let me do the count distance. Okay. So high price has 3, low price has 7, and medium should be 5. Let me verify the SQL. Low price has 7, medium has 5 records, and high price has 3. Perfect. So that's how we can like solve this question in SQL as well as Tableau. If you find this video uh, insightful, please subscribe this channel and share this video as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video.